Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install and use a Chrome extension that creates instant summaries of YouTube videos using AI. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your ChatGPT account so the extension can work properly. Now we need to install the extension. Go ahead and open a new tab, search for Chrome extensions, and click on the Chrome Web Store link. In the Web Store, find and select the YouTube Summary extension that works with both ChatGPT and Claude. Go ahead and add it to your browser by clicking this button. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Just confirm by choosing to add the extension. Perfect! The extension is now installed. Head over to YouTube and pick any video you'd like to get a summary of. You'll notice a new drop-down button on the video page. Click on that to see your summarization options. From the drop-down menu, select the ChatGPT option to generate your summary. And there you have it. ChatGPT has generated a comprehensive summary of a video for you. That's all there is to it. You can now summarize any YouTube video in just a few clicks. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime.